This is your daily reminder to put down the phone. So I actually have no script for this video, but I used to be just like you. I would wake up, then I would grab my phone, then I would just start scrolling, and then like the day would kind of blend into the next one. I would scroll, I would like make some food, I would go to school, kind of scroll while going there, to go home, scroll. Like the whole day was just like a long scroll basically. And every time I went to, not every time, but almost every single time when I went to bed, I would have this like deep gut feeling, like this intense feeling in my gut of like, I am just like wasting my life right now. I know that like I'm in school, there's like some things that I need to do. I really want to become successful. I like want to start a business. I want to get jacked. I want to do this. I want to do that. But I'm just like wasting my time. I'm just constantly just like scrolling. I thought the solution would just be, oh yeah, just go on a dopamine detox. Just detach yourself from like technology for a week, and then like your problem will be solved. But I think that only works for a specific kind of person. I think that only works for the people who aren't really addicted in the first place. Like guys like us, we are like down bad. Like we can't just get a quick fix. We can't go on a 7-day dopamine detox and then our life is like, then the problem is solved for us. We need something deeper. We need something more intense, like not intense, but we need something more intentional. We need something that actually like changes our life for the better. We need to make strict rules for ourselves. And that way we can actually quit this stuff for good. So it's been almost 9 months since I last scrolled. I quit on the 16th of January. Now I'm recording this on the 13th of October. This video should be posted in a couple of days, and you will probably see this like in a few days, if not in a year or some shit like that. I'm not so sure. But yeah, I'll just come up with some ideas off the top of my mind of like ways that, like advice that I would give to me a year ago, 2 years ago, when I was really struggling, when I was like down bad and I was trying to quit for good. And at that point, I really needed a video like this, just like a daily reminder, just like you need to stop scrolling, you need to fix your life. And if a video like this got recommended to my YouTube feed every single day, I think I would have so much more motivation to just put in the actual work that was required to quit this stuff for good. And my life would probably be on a completely different trajectory right now. So yeah, here is some actionable advice that I can give you off the top of my head. I think it's not so much about actually, so people with the advice that people usually give is like, oh yeah, download an app blocker and like go on a 7-day dopamine detox, or go for a run, or buy a dummy phone, or do these like drastic changes. I don't think like, it's not really about that. So I've helped a bunch of people reduce their screen time. Like you can find that on the first link in the description. And what I've found, the whole method that I preach is like the onion method. And the onion method you can kind of guess by the nature of the wording of it. But it's kind of where you peel off one thing from your life, and then you can peel off the next thing and the next thing and the next thing. Whereas a dopamine detox is basically taking this whole onion and just like trying to swallow it. Where with the onion method, we only take one layer, we peel it off, and then we try to swallow that. We peel off another layer, we try to swallow that. And we take it like one step at a time. When we remove one thing, the next obvious thing comes after that, and then we remove that thing. So to operationalize this for you as well, it's like, what's the biggest problem for you at the moment? What's the thing that you've consumed the most? What do you feel the worst about? What's like the thing that is holding you back the most from your goals, from building the business, from like achieving a specific thing? For most people, it's short form content. It's too easy to consume. It's really boring. I'll like lay it like this. I'm getting tired of that. But for most people, it's short form content. It's just like overconsumption. They're consuming way too much, and the short form content, it's so easy to just pick up the phone and then just start scrolling. When you're waiting for the bus, you pick up your phone. What's the natural thing to do? It's to just start scrolling, because you look around, everyone else is doing it, so this must be normal. But if you set your standard higher than that, then you will live to that standard. So what I recommend you do is literally just stop watching short form content. And what does this actually mean? Because I know like a lot of people, they say a bunch of words, but they don't really like operationalize it for the viewer. So how do you actually quit short form content? You quit short form content by applying friction to it, by setting up like a commitment contract. So if you do it, there actually is a consequence to it, because right now the consequence to scrolling is not that big. It's like you scroll and then it's like, oh, nothing really happened. But if you make a commitment contract, like all of this is on the link below this video, but when you make a commitment contract to it, it's like, then you fucked up, like then you accidentally scrolled, and then it's like, oh shit, now I gotta like sleep outside, now I gotta like give a stranger some money, now I gotta like do this awkward thing, or now I gotta do this thing or that thing. It's like, oh shit, now wait, actually, let me just like not scroll. So you apply friction, you add like some social accountability to it, you add a commitment contract, and the most important thing, you substitute it with something that is just slightly easier. So imagine if I put you onto this. I made it very difficult for you to even access the apps to scroll. And then even if you got access to the apps, if you scrolled, I got you to run a marathon. And then also I would get you to, before we start this, I would get you to commit to like a social thing where it's like, I would tell all your friends that you scrolled and you told them that you wouldn't scroll, and you could still watch movies. And you could still like watch like Mr. Beast videos. That would be so fucking easy for you, but you don't really see that, like, you don't realize how much progress that will make, because once you're in the habit and you actually like cut something away successfully, it will be so much easier for you to cut away the next thing. And then once you've like cut away like movies and stuff like that, then you just like get on the snowball, and then like eventually you'll get a screen time like mine where I don't scroll any social media. Like the only things that I watch on social media are my own videos. I've sat down and made the videos and then I watch them on YouTube. Like that's the most stimulating, because I don't watch anything else on YouTube. I listen to some podcasts, I listen to audiobooks. I don't actually read that much, but I have read a bit, but I don't really read that much. I love like listening more. That's basically it, and then I work. That's it. I work out, try and hang out with my friends and stuff like that. So what could you do right now to actually make some progress? You could first off, like you could, so I'll give you another offer. This is something that I've started to do recently. It's like, you're this far into this video. If we could help each other out, if you could so the videos are not doing that well on this channel for the moment, but that's cool. I know I have the potential to blow up. I know I can do it and everything like that. But if you could help me with it by liking the video and commenting, I would highly, highly appreciate that. And if you then click on the first link in the description and you scroll down, there's like a contact me here, like get my WhatsApp, whatever. Click on that link, and then you will actually get my WhatsApp. And once you have my WhatsApp, you can like send me a message. I can try and give you some advice. We might even hop on a call, and I can give you some advice that will help you reduce your screen time. So you might even not like consider doing that. Actually, I would highly appreciate it. And yeah, what is some other things you could do is like, when you're watching a video like this, like you're already, I see it as you have like two different personalities. You have like the disciplined version of you, and then you have the procrastinating version of you. Right now you're tapped into the disciplined version of you because you're watching a video with no stimulation, right? If you could just go outside right now and just go for a walk, listen to some peaceful music. You don't even have to listen to music. You can like listen to a podcast, listen to some audiobooks so that it's still a bit stimulating. Just go outside, appreciate nature, everything like that. Maybe just sit down for a little while and just don't do anything. Like I'm doing something right now, but it's like not a lot of times, but pretty frequently I will just like walk around this second floor of the house, and I'll just like walk around here and I'm just thinking about shit. I'm just thinking. And I think that might be very beneficial to you if you could just like go outside and think for a little while. So again, this is your daily reminder to put down the phone. You can click on the first link in the description. I will solve your screen time addiction for you completely. It's guaranteed. And yeah, it'll only cost you $2.97 bucks. And yeah, it will change your life. So click on the first link in the description. Like the video, do all the engagement stuff, because these videos really need some extra views. And yeah, you can also contact me on WhatsApp. I can help you out a bit. And yeah, go do that. Go take some action and have a good rest of your day. See you, brother.